Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, let's answer the question, which is the best Shopify alternative? So the best Shopify alternative is BigCommerce. If you want a platform that runs the same as Shopify, provides almost the same features, works in a similar manner, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is create your account. Then you should go with BigCommerce because they are similar platforms but built with different technology. In the description, I will add a link and you can use that link to get your free 1 month. You can get 1 month free when you pick a plan, and you'll also get a free trial. So you can try BigCommerce for 15 days. I will put the link in the description. So let's look at the pricing for these two and just see what you'll get on BigCommerce and how that applies to Shopify as well. If you come here to BigCommerce pricing, you'll see the prices. The pricing for this is almost the same as the ones on Shopify. Actually, they're just the same. So if you click here and you go to pricing on Shopify, you're going to see that the pricing is almost the same, and you can see the features that are provided right here. So you can compare the features which are available here and then look at the features which are here. So something that you need to take note of when you're using BigCommerce is that these different plans will have different capacity, different caps for sales annually. If you scroll down, you're going to see that up to 50K, up to 180K, and up to 400K. So this is the amount of sales that you can do in a year within that plan. If you exceed this, you'll get about 1,000 or 2,000 more sales before you will need to upgrade. But usually when you get to this, roughly this amount, you'll need to upgrade your sales. So that's something that you need to bear in mind, because in Shopify, this does not exist. In Shopify, you can sell as much as you need to. So most other features are just the same. Everything is almost unlimited products, unlimited file storage, unlimited bandwidth. You're going to get almost the same things as you'd usually get on Shopify. So if you don't want to use Shopify for whatever reason, then you can just go with BigCommerce. Okay. On Shopify, it's also important to note that you can start with a $9 plan, which will allow you to create links for your products. What this offers is a link whereby you can add a link on your blog. You can even add them on Facebook. You can use Shopify to process those orders. So that's it for this video. But before I end the video, there is an article for this as well. You can come here and read this article, which I did some basic comparison, and I also answered various questions here that you may have. So I will put the link in the description. I'll put the link for the BigCommerce pricing in the description, and Shopify as well. You can find all that in the description. If you do have any question about this too, let me know. And if you want to use Shopify to build your online store, I do have a free Shopify tutorial on Udemy. I'll put the link in the description as well. That's it for this video. I will see you next time in a different video.